Alright guys, ever wanted to go viral on social media but struggle with content ideas? What if I told you there's a tool that can do the heavy lifting for you? Yep, I'm talking about ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how AI can generate Instagram posts, viral reels, a full content strategy, and even product descriptions in seconds. Let's dive in. Section 1. Creating Instagram posts. Let's say you've just launched an Instagram page about financial freedom and motivation. You need posts that grab attention, engage followers, and grow your account. Watch this. I'll ask ChatGPT to generate post ideas, complete with captions and hashtags. Boom! In a few seconds, we've got content ideas, motivational quotes, success stories, infographics, and even Q&A sessions. Let's take it a step further. I'll ask for full Instagram post descriptions with hashtags. Look at this. AI just gave us ready-to-go posts with hashtags like hashtag financial freedom and hashtag invest in yourself. Post this with a killer image, and you're set. Section 2. Automated content calendar. But wait, it gets even better. What if I told you ChatGPT can plan your entire month's content in one click? Let's say our keyword is financial freedom in 5 years. ChatGPT instantly creates a weekly content plan with engaging topics. Week 1, 5 steps to achieving financial freedom. Week 2, how to save money smartly. Week 3, best investments for financial independence. And this works for any niche. Section 3, writing product descriptions. Running an online store? ChatGPT can write product descriptions that sell. Let's take this aroma diffuser from AliExpress. I'll ask ChatGPT for a short, catchy title and a compelling product description. Transform your home into a relaxing oasis. Sounds fancy, right? But let's make it luxury. Just a few tweaks, and boom! Now it reads, crafted with the finest materials. This state-of-the-art aroma diffuser redefines relaxation. Instant high-end appeal. Section 4. Writing digital course descriptions. Got a digital course? Let AI write a professional course description in seconds. Just give it a title, say, ChatGPT Master. How to use AI for business? And let's see what it generates. That's a ready-to-go course description. And here's the kicker. You can also ask ChatGPT to write a congratulations email for students who complete the course. Section 5. Marketing strategies. Not sure how to promote your course? Ask ChatGPT for a marketing strategy. Look at this: social media content, influencer collaborations, webinars, student engagement. It's all there. Just pick a strategy and execute. ChatGPT is changing the game. Whether you need social media content, e-commerce copy, or a full-on marketing strategy, AI can do it for you. Just tweak, personalize, and post. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and drop a comment below. What should we automate next? See you in the next video. Subscribe for more AI tips. To find professional AI prompts, take a look in the description section.